they're all the same, but I think everyone is different. Look at that! Oh my goodness, they're amazing.
This is the spot down there, everybody with the cameras. There was somebody down here last night, and you could tell he had a really good setup. And it was not, well, it was near sunset. I don't know, you weren't here.
No.
So there was this pink band below. The bottom was kind of pink. He was getting the birds silhouetted and stuff.
It's amazing because how could it be that interesting and different every day?
It is sometimes.
But somehow.
Every day, yeah. This is a woman we've met here. Her name is
Really?
Sarah. And
Hi Sarah, how are you?
we've met. He's been painting one of the kiosks.
I like your collages, actually.
Actually,
Great.
thank you. They're fun. They're fading in the sun, but I'm reworking them and I'm going to support them. And the next ones are going to be on real canvases, but it's really fun. And like Evan said at Boutique, he said they're